turtles have delivered the shark to its destination. Now they have a big green dumpster that they're collecting food in.
Good job!
Looks like it's straight out of Trash Track. Fourth quarter. Took a couple shots at the feeder. Just under 2 minutes to go, teams. 2 minutes to go. He right here has 2 pieces of food over here for all-girl rhythm. And now the bat has 2 pieces of food, and the flamingo has 2 pieces of food. And the frogs have 2 pieces of food. You can cheer for your team. 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. Fourth court by the milk automator. They've got it moving, their line following. 1 minute and 4 seconds to go. 1 minute. Big cheers for the turtles. They're over the fence. The milk automator, they're delivering to the research and training area. They're quite excited.
Yeah, girl!
Fourth quarter with an attachment change. 35 seconds to go, teams. 35, now 20 seconds to go, teams. More scientists in the research and training area. The captive panda has been released. Well done. And it's all the way back to base. 15